Hey, do you want to run a Net Promoter Score survey to understand how your customers feel about you? I'll show you how with Voximplant Kit right now. Once you're logged in, go to the Outbound tab, click Net Promoter Score to open a template already created. You can see here you'll drag on whatever you want, but it's pre-populated to record the call, ask a question based on the answers of 1 through 10. It'll save that data, say something to them, and record what they say, turn it in from speech to text. Let's test it right now. I'll pick a number, put in mine. We'll leave these blank because that's what will be populated in the test. You'll see it will call my phone number right now. You can see it coming through.
Good afternoon. Greetings from Voximplant Kit. On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely is it that you would recommend our product to a friend or colleague? Please, you can name the rating by voice and enter the keys on the phone.
9.
Thank you. What's the most important reason for your score?
I love the interface. And there you go. It's saved. You can see it captured what I said as 9, and I love the interface. You can see the recording here, which is saved for you. And if you wanted to launch this on a large scale, you'd go to our campaigns tab, select the scenario we just chose, choose some caller IDs you want. You can choose the number of lines, set it to run at specific times, and if they don't pick up, you can try again. Load up your contacts and you're good to go. So there you go. Have fun.